Why does the iPhone sometimes get ahead of you and know what you're about to do? It shows strange suggestions, apps, photos, words, before you even ask. Today, we're not talking about an app, not about a photo, not about a simple setting. Today, we're talking about one single setting. If you turn it off, you literally reduce system-wide analysis with one tap. Stay with me. The setting we're talking about can be found by going to Settings, Siri, Suggestions. This setting is responsible for analyzing what you type, what you open, what you search for, what you take photos of, what you share. So it can show you smart suggestions almost everywhere on your phone. One single setting affects the entire system, not just one app, not just photos, not just search. Its impact shows up in Messages, Safari, Photos, Spotlight, App Suggestions, the home screen itself. And most importantly, it's enabled by default on most phones, and most people don't even notice it. What you'll do now is turn off all the settings under this section. And under the app clip section, turn off all the options there as well. Let me be clear. We're not saying spying. We're not accusing anyone. We're not talking about laws. We're saying one simple thing. These are suggestions, and if you don't need them, turn them off. Finally, if this setting was enabled on your phone and you turned it off just now, tell me in the comments, do you feel the difference or not? And if you want more settings that reduce analysis without exaggeration or pointless talk, subscribe to the channel. The next video will complete the picture.